everyone, in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to fill same dates to the cells below or the entire columns in Excel. So let's get started. Assuming I'm expecting delivery of cooking oil at a future date, for example, 20th of May, 2023. Assuming I'm also expecting delivery of the other items on the same date, we understand that copying this, that is Control C, and pasting Control V one by one can be really time consuming and tedious at the same time. So I'm going to show you another way on how you can go about this. First, select the cell that contains the dates that you need to autofill, and then at the bottom right edge, put your cursor here and double click to autofill. For those who don't know, I'll show you another way on how you can autofill. Just put your, select your cell and then put your cursor here and then drag to autofill. But I prefer the first method because it's quicker. So after autofilling, you can see the dates are different, but we need to input the same date as the one we have here. So what you need to do is to press Ctrl plus D on your keyboard, and there you go. So you can see the dates are the same. So it's as easy as that. So that's it about our today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, kindly leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel, like, and see you in our next video. Bye.